Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you something special about a phone which has been the most sold phone in India. So before getting started, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon and share my videos to your friends who have doubts about the video. So now let's get started. Starting the phone is a very special phone that has been most sold in India. This phone is very usually bought by the people who want to buy a non-Chinese phone. So you can expect which phone is that. It's nothing but the Samsung M31 which has been newly released, and this phone has a high battery capacity and good camera capture and fast charging and processor. So let's get into the details of the phone. Now starting with the battery, it has a 6000 mAh battery, so that we can say the king of the batteries is the Samsung. So the battery is so high that even now you cannot see such a battery of 600 mAh in the normal phones. So you can expect the lifetime of the battery. So I the Samsung is the best for the battery purpose. Now coming to the display is with a 6.4 inches and the resolution is a 2340 into 1080 pixels. So you can see any HD movie on the phone with a enjoying with a high clarity, and it is also with a HD display and AMOLED display, so you can enjoy the movies watching in this phone. Now coming to the cameras, the front camera is with a 32 megapixel. You can capture a beautiful photos in a portrait mode at the front camera. Now coming to the rear cameras, the rear cameras are four. They are with 64 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 5 megapixel and 5 megapixel. With this you can capture a many type of difference of pictures. You can capture a beautiful portrait and night mode and ultra wide mode, and you can get even panochrome. So there are many modes are available in these cameras. In this, the night mode is a very such a beautiful picture that you can capture, and the ultra wide angle is 105 degrees. So I think it's very good for the cameras also. But even if you see at the ratings, you can see the battery rating is a high at 10, but the rating of the cameras is less, but it is good, not so bad. The rating for the cameras is a 8. Now coming to the speed, that is RAM of the phone is 6 GB RAM. It is quite common in many phones, so it is not anything else. You can get any phone. Now coming to the storage, the storage internal storage of the phone is 128 GB, and it can be expandable to the 512 GB with an extra memory card attached to it. There is a slot for the memory card and two slots for the SIMs. And coming to the processor of the Samsung M31 is a octa-core processor, and the refresh rate of the Samsung M31 is 60 Hz. So you can imagine the speed of the screen and smoothness of the screen touch. So it is available in two colors, in black and blue. Coming to the price is in between 17,000 to 20,000, and it is very useful, and I suggest this phone for the people who want to buy a non-Chinese phone and below 20,000. It is an excellent phone which is a non-Chinese phone, and the display and everything is good. And the Samsung is nowadays a big brand in India, because every people was thinking that we don't need to buy China phones, and they are all turning towards the non-Chinese phones. So the best non-Chinese phone in India stood as a Samsung, and some may be there, but they are not seen by the people. And the prices will be the another non-Chinese phone is the Apple, which is a high-end phone. So middle class people cannot offer that phone. So the best choice for the people who want to buy an excellent phone below 20,000 is a Samsung M31. The another phone is a Samsung M31s. The Samsung M31 is same with the same features but with a slight difference. The display of the Samsung M31 is 6.5 inches which is 0.1 inch greater than the Samsung M31. And the another thing is it has a rear cameras with 64, 12, 5 and 5. Only you can see the change of 12 megapixel in the Samsung M31s, and the remaining everything is same, but the location of the camera will be different. The location of the camera of Samsung M31 one will be above and another will be down. So there is nothing change in between these. So I suggest the Samsung M31 is a best mobile for the people who want to buy a non-Chinese phone and below 20,000. So thanks for watching the full video and subscribe our channel, click the bell icon and share my videos to your friends, and please tell my channel about to others. So thanks for watching.